Wagwan, what's good? Welcome back to the Morris Times family. More than likely, you'll be getting this vlog straight from my phone because there's just some bad news. Hopefully we can get this solved real quick. But after the intro, I'll tell you about it. Get yourself in a happy mood. So today is Wednesday, the 9th of February, and almost 5 years since I purchased my first laptop. My first Apple laptop to get editing done. Unfortunately, last night we're at home we're at home editing. I'm about to edit a video. And entire bottle of water that was on my computer desk just spilled right into the keyboards of the laptop. So that's $1,500 down the drain. So if you're getting this video late, as I said, I'm using my phone. So just excuse me. So it was not in the budget to grab a next laptop right now. Me and Alyssa were discussing about getting a second laptop, so that we could lighten the workload. She could edit for this channel and I could do my edits for my cooking channel. But we have the one laptop editing for both. Jamir has his laptop that we got him for his Christmas gift, but it doesn't have the same editing software that we use. So right now I'm sitting outside of Best Buy and I'm about to jump inside. I don't even know if I can get the intro on here because everything probably won't even see the intro. I'm talking about the intro. Do I have the intro somewhere on my Instagram where I can save it? Yes, I think I have the intro on my Instagram. I'm going to have to screen record that, crop it, and paste it on here. I'm going to use iMovie on my phone. So you just have to think outside the box, because many a times on your journey to greatness, there are going to be delays. There are going to be, detours. But we keep on going. Last night when the water spilling it, the laptop just shut down immediately. I got so angry and come out of the house, come to Best Buy to fix it. Man, I tell me, say, how to fix this laptop, it's going to basically cost you a new one. So not only did we want to get a second laptop, now we're going to have to get two laptops, most likely. I'm going to try to contact our next Apple specialist to see if they can fix the problem. I have the laptop at home turned upside down right now to drain out the excess water that's in there. But as I said, not in the budget to get a laptop right now, not in the highest of spirit, because you don't know, without editing, that's how my videos can go out. So I'm gonna try go inside and see what laptop is best to get. I'm gonna try get the cheapest one I can get right now. You see me? Because I'm not trying to break the bank and sit out here and act like I'm rich. No, I'd love to go in and scrap up a laptop, but that's not the case right now. Alright, without further depression, let's go here, man. Now go. Let's go get this laptop. Straight from my phone. So I go and hold on, I think breaks. You see the funniest thing about this? As soon as my factory warranty was up, we're good. As soon as my factory warranty, the music. So as soon as my factory insurance or warranty was up, that's when the laptop decided to break. So I'm out here right now looking at some laptop. For my line of work, this would be the best laptop to get right now, which is the latest. I think this is a 2021 or 2020. I'm not even sure. But this is the MacBook M1 Pro. So this one is the MacBook Pro 14-inch. This is great with graphics and all of that thing. But to be honest, I only use my laptop whenever time I am editing. I don't really use laptop to do anything much, so I don't want to go too fancy. I'm not like a big gamer where I need all the inner works of this laptop. I just need it for editing. So these prices are ridiculous right now. That is $2,400. That's almost $3,000 with little to no space, to be honest. What's the space on there? Don't even know. This one here is for $3,000, almost $3,500 after taxes we're talking about. And there you have some other ridiculous prices. The 16-inch is almost 5,000 Canadian dollars. You know what I'm saying? This one now, I think it's the same thing. This is the one I was trying to look at. Has the touchpad right here. Yeah, this is the one I was looking at, but the price again, as I said, I look for the cheapest. This is almost, when I did the works, it's almost $2,000 after tax when I did the maths. And if I want with more space now, it's gonna be almost $2,500. So that's not in my budget. Nice little laptop. I like this one. It's the Pro, which is a good look. I like it. It has the touchpad and the login pad right here. But no, if you're trying to go desktop now, same ridiculousness. We're just gonna look at the price. Add $300 onto everything right there, so you know the maths. So we're not gonna get desktop. And you may ask, why Apple? Because it doesn't get virus and all of them stuff. That's why I choose Apple. You know what I say? And most of my products are Apple, and I haven't had an issue with my Apple laptop, and I had it since 2017. I take great care of my stuff. What you're saying, boy, you just mash it up. Yeah, just one of them things, you know. This one here, yeah, some ridiculous prices. Come over here now. This one here, this is the Ear, which is the one I have right now. Very light, very thin. Put my finger, compare it. Very thin laptop. I think I did my research. This is the Best Buy right now. I'm in Best Buy right now. Get it? Best Buy right now. I'm in Best Buy right now. So $1,200 and $1,300. So after tax, almost $1,500. Which those are $1,500 before tax. So this is gonna be my Best Buy at Best Buy. See, I'm not gonna go with this right here because I always use external storage, and as I said, I only use my laptop for editing. So this color is the one I have right now, the space gray. Yeah, has the touchpad too for your fingerprint right there. So it's a little upgrade from the one I have right now. I think this is the best bet right now, the Best Buy. I'm gonna go with this one, the MacBook Air 13 Apple M1 chip touch. Yeah, that's the one I'm gonna go with right now. Damn, my credit card is gonna cry. Look at that. They say when trouble is coming, you know, you don't when you say when trouble come pick shell now blow, something like that. I just spent a lot of money on the car to get it fixed, and not even 2 days later I have to get a new laptop. But it has to be done because the work must go. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, that helps us out, and comment below. You know what I say? Big up yourself.
Total taxes is $1,446.
So $1,446.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, as you can see, just made the purchase. Service was excellent in Best Buy here in Victoria Street, 1751 Victoria Street. The service was great. There's an employee there by the name of Jordan. Cool youth. He explained so much that I don't know about technology. So Alyssa said when one bad thing happened, look out for 2 more occurrences. And that is absolutely right. Sheppy Bradshaw, big up yourself. Sheppy also commented that remember the glasses, the car, and now the laptop. So that's 3 bad incidents that occur. I don't want to say in the past month. You know what I say? So yeah, I'm not gonna get too depressed about it. It's just up from here. You know what I say? Up from here. We get the glasses destroyed, got it fixed. The car got mashed up, got it fixed. The laptop now, we're gonna get that sorted out. So it's just, as I said, up. I took my 3 L's. Now it's time for me to take these W's and win. So we now make that stop. You see it, big up yourself. Hit like on the video because I'm telling you, we're gonna get some better, greater content pretty soon. So look out for those. And my eyes are kind of droopy because I'm kind of tired. You know, too long come out of the gym too, you know, so you know the thing work. This is Jamir's laptop. I almost got destroyed too. I have to have a rag, put the laptop on, just so it can drain. Not gonna turn it on. The guy at the computer shop suggested that I should put this in some water. No more water. I should put it in some ice. So that's what I'm gonna do. Not ice. What tell me, man? I should put it in some rice. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Submerge it in some rice so that it can dry out whatever excess water may be in there. So yeah, that's the position you have to do it. So whatever water will just run out the keyboard onto the and absorb into this rag. So here goes the new one. Today is what, the 9th. So next MacBook here again. Gonna open it. See what's up. Who know about this? Oh, it's getting rusty. I have to clean it up. You know what you know about this? You know about 3-star. Made in South Africa. Alright. Oh, I don't need a knife.
Is it the newest MacBook Air?
Yeah, the newest one, but we didn't get it in a good situation. Because we should have gotten it and then have 2 laptops working. Now we're back to square one.
Well, let's hope it ends up working. I have a feeling it will end up working.
So what I need to do right now, okay. This laptop this was the second laptop of YouTube. My first laptop when I first came to Canada, you know what I say? We did probably a few YouTube videos with that for 2 months, and then we have this for 5 years. Nothing was wrong with it at all.
Perfect.
Until yesterday, 1 full bottle of water just spilled in it, right? So now, force your hand to get a next MacBook.
Which we were gonna do.
We're gonna get one, but not right now, because the budget was not there yet. So it's like this put you in a place where I have to use it with credit card if I want to do right now. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But regardless, we have to get it because that's how we get video out. Everything I have stored to edit a video is on my external hard drive. So
thank God for that.
I cannot use phone. I don't use phone and edit my thing, you know? So let's just see what it looks like. Different color. This is space gray. Looks nice. Well, act as if we never see it in the store, but yeah, this is space gray. So I like this color more than this one.
Yeah, I knew you would.
The darker gray. You know what I say? And it's very thin. Let me see how thin in comparison. Oh.
You put it in front of it.
Is it smaller or something?
It's,
Same size. Oh no, this one is smaller.
the new one you have is smaller.
Yeah.
And thinner too.
No?
From the side, yep. It's thinner.
Mm-mm.
Yes, it is.
Look on the front.
The side. The front is the same. The side.
The older one is thinner.
No, it isn't. Look how thick this part is right here.
Same thing. A little bit. Because the difference with this new one, is you don't have the ports like this one. This one here, you have.
Oh, you don't have any ports in there?
You don't have. I have the what do you call it?
Yeah, the SD card.
The SD card holder. This new one don't have none of that.
So how you can do your external hard drive stuff?
So that's a funny thing. I had to. The youth say like what, water?
Mm-hmm.
It's bad, and it's bad, but if it was like a
Pop
drink,
or something? Sticky?
yeah. So say like put in a rice. A lot of people say don't put it in a rice.
I would put in
rice.
rice. First of all, rice is gonna go to waste. You need a lot of rice for that. Nice.
I say speaker so nice.
Yeah. These are really
Powerful.
loud. Mm-hmm.
Alright. So fresh out the box. The thing with now, none of that. So that's why it's way thinner. This is a 13.3 inch. Only the charging port. Is it on both sides? No.
So yeah, how's the external hard drive gonna work?
So now I had to purchase this for about $80.
Oh, a new one.
$50 separately.
To use English as the main language, press the
So
return.
this is, I had to get this separately to plug onto the side.
Okay.
So you can put the charger, the micro SD, the big
okay,
SD,
okay,
and
okay.
yeah.
So it's all the
And you can use HDMI card.
Oh, okay. Nice.
So 7-in-2 USB-C hub.
I see a hub. Okay.
So I have to buy this separately. Like Apple always know if you take people money. Serious. You buy an iPhone, they want you to buy the charger block separately. Come on, man. You know we need it. So why you take it out? You know what I say? But yeah, that's it.
Alright, that's
Yeah.
good.
And you have the upgrade with this one now versus this. You have a touchpad for my fingerprint.
Wait, did you buy like an older one?
Like this?
An older laptop?
No. Why?
This is new?
Mm.
Where's the touchscreen?
It's touchscreen, right, Tessa?
Yeah.
That up on the Pro. This is the ear.
Oh, so you didn't want to buy the Pro? Or it's too expensive? Oh, right now.
It's in my
Okay.
budget right now. The Pro, and many people have said this really do the same thing with the Pro.
The Pro just has extra features like the touchscreen
I
and
don't
all
really
that.
need that. What if
Yeah.
it break? Then we can't access.
Oh, yeah. You gotta think about that stuff.
But the Pro is almost $2,000. This is $1,400 after tax. The youth make me save $100. This is $1,400 after tax with this. You know what I say? So yes, probably in the future I'll go for a Pro. But right now, emergency, we need this. We'd have to spend $2,000. We now have
You don't wanna
$500
do that
extra
right
for
now.
us spend
Yeah.
right now. And realistically, I just edit videos.
Yeah.
So
you
why
don't do
am I
much.
gonna buy the
yeah,
Pro?
yeah,
I mean, all the gaming and all of that extra stuff. It's just we really just edit. Me not even watch movie on this.
yeah.
So me not
That
really
is
need
true.
that. You know what I say?
We have Wajari over here. Hi, Ajari. Ajari's been a little fussy. He just woke up. So Ajari's been pretty fussy the past couple of days. I'm not sure what it is, but it is what it is. We just gotta deal with it. He wants to sit up all day, every day. Look at him. Yeah, 5 months. Ajari's 5 months. Oh. Ajari's 5 months. He's trying to sit up on his own. He hates being on his back. Okay, give me a hand. Give me hand. Okay. Good job, Ajari. Oh, let's fix you up. He wants me to pick him up. I'm not picking you up right now. Yeah?
Yeah. Car mash up. I have to pay for the car 2 days ago. No one laptop. Like, when did we get the car?
Did they say it comes in 3? Things come in 3?
Like, we just paid for the car a couple days ago, and now the laptop.
We rebuke the third one in the name of Jesus. Ajari, you guys look at him. Isn't he getting so big? He's sitting up. He's sticking out his little cute tongue. Yay! Look at him. And he just always stares at his dad. Right? What is this? What is it that you're doing?
We get warranty on it this time.
Good. Looking like this because I worked out. I'm gonna do another workout. I'm trying to do 2 workouts a day. So my usual workout, then I'm following a program, and then I'm also doing like a walk it off kind of exercise. So that's why I look like this right now. I'm gonna do that exercise soon. But yeah. So I don't know if Adrian told you the story. Did you tell him what happened? Yeah. What happened? He probably doesn't want to tell you guys because it was my fault. Yeah, so as I was saying, the story of the broke up laptop. Okay, it's not that funny. But basically, I was putting back the charger underneath the table, and the Jameer is obviously calling me. I'm coming. And basically what happened was my bun, this right here, I was putting my head down. I was a really bad bun yesterday. Because I just washed my hair and it was just like, and oh, look at it, Jari. So I was bending down to plug it into the outlet. and I felt my hair touch something, but I was like, no big deal. But then I heard the bottle cap. I heard the water bottle cap like ding, drop on the floor. And I was like, I hope that wasn't water. And then I heard Adrian drop a whole bunch of stuff. And then I looked up, and there was more than half the bottle of water on top of the laptop. So yeah, that's the story. So it was my fault. Oh God. He really does. He always takes care of this stuff. And I think honestly, out of anything that's broken of his, he doesn't break it. It's usually most of the time it's like me or Jameer. Yeah. He takes really good care of stuff. But yeah, man.
It's expensive and how hard you have to work, you know?
Yeah.
Why?
So you guys.
Afford it. Why mash it up when it don't work? Perfect.
Yeah, for sure.
But iPhone, what years do I have the phone? 4 years?
Yeah. Jameer wants to come out the shower. On another note, Jameer is bathing himself. So that's a good thing. Jameer bathes himself. Huh? Jameer? I don't know. He's probably just annoyed because he wants to go play his games. But yeah, Jam, he's 7 years old. He's been bathing himself since he was 6.5. But like, you know, he's getting better. That's another thing off of us. We don't have to worry about that too much. We just make sure he's bathed and stuff very well. Yeah, that's good. So anyways, I'm not sure what today holds. Because as I said, we don't have the laptop to edit. This is gonna take a while to this is edit. Oh, well, you guys, let's hope the other laptop works, because then I'll be able to edit the vlogs. And then no, it wasn't. It was the rag. He loves to play with the rag and fling it everywhere. So just pray the laptop works. Pray, please, because we want it to work. It'll help us, Adrian, be able to post more on Moist Time Cooking. And I'll be able to monitor and post on Moist Time Family. Okay? So we have Jam here. Jam, say hi.
Hi.
So Jam is here. Don't mind the lighting, you guys. We're going to get some new lights. We're going to get some new lights. These lights are just terrible.
C-A-R-C-A-R.
Okay, so we have Jam. He's doing his after school work. This is not from school. This is just what we had here. Just to challenge him. Jameer, you don't have to write it. No, you don't write it.
But
I said just underline it. No, you're taking up too much time. You're not gonna have enough time to play games and stuff. You're doing extra work for no reason. All you have to do is underline the words, the sentence that matches the picture. That's all you have to do. Put a line under the sentence that matches what the girl's doing, what each person is doing. So like for this one, yeah. So this one, you said the girl loves the bath. So you just underline the girl loves the bath. So we're on Amazon, and I got math books, French books, a whole bunch of books. I have a whole bunch of books here for Jameer. See, grade 1. So I have a whole bunch of books.
I think it's this one. I'm pretty sure it's this one.
Yeah, it is that one. Good job.
Okay, that's
so I got a whole bunch of books for him, and it helps him just to challenge him and do better in school. What do you think about these books? Jameer? Do you have anything to say about these books? Do they help you? Do they make you become smarter?
No, it doesn't really help me because I already know how to read.
It helps you. It challenges you. Don't listen to Jameer. So yeah, if you guys want to check out the books that Jameer uses to challenge that brain of his, you guys can check our Moist Time Family Amazon link. It is in the description box below. All right, you do your work. See you.
Get the laptop in.